if nothing, you don't rate none of them man, them, but you just chat up to.
So it's alleged that Skeng and Tammany's partner Rob BlamDem viewers and subscribers are big things are going in the media right now. Yeah man, BlamDem face also get exposed to the public and don't know so BlamDem always wear a mask to hide his face. Viewers and subs will also have Mama Shelly talk about the situation and she laugh at the entertainer. Remember, you know, BlamDem and Shelly always go at it. Yeah man, them always try to bring down each other, so anything them get them hands on, them gonna use against each other. So watch out man, big up on yourself, remember, leave a subscribe and make we jump right into it.
Tell we see you connect with all of the man them, because if nothing, you don't rate none of them man them, but you just chat up to everybody. You have to link with everybody. Everybody you say Rabio. You talk about Ratty Gang and Sparta. All of man them you say Rabio and thief yo. Everybody you say a thief. Only the people them on TikTok that don't know you can come trick. Only people them on TikTok when don't know you can come fool. You care blood clot me man other day when he eats and he wear a go around a Delta apartment. But see you know where Delta live.
Look how they come about me and they put man under my crutches now. Jamal beat me. Not a day in my life. Only that fuck J man fuck me. See, God never sleep BlamDem. You see when they lie to others, don't give it to them. Can go come and pray. Lord Jesus Christ, you know, man, I wish evil upon people. See, like gonna treat people. Me know somebody when come treat you know the same. Me say God, every night I go down call her name in front of God and put it in front of God. Because I know God ain't gonna make it get exposed. Cause infection then say my son have. Like then did they watch my son caca, they know what my son have having nice clean wife. You think I like come man then put on my pussy? J-man, Jamal, all type of people they put on my cat is how man beat me, you know, wish. Go ahead, man. Me look at one girl a man can beat every day. Jamal must wonder where you get your blood clot fake news. So we go on time and God. Artists they must be careful because where the one you go to blood clot. Take squash as example. Oh no, I idiot. Yeah, artist. Good morning, TikTok. Girl wake up they come in the pan in the over the girl page and listen what go on for the president. Boy, it's sad though. Man, I laugh, but man plays for everything, yeah? You bring down a female, somebody go try to bring down people and lie upon people forget clothes and for me tell us everything they do to me, you know, just to make money upon TikTok, the lies they bring down, you want a man on the pack upon it. But I say God is a fear God, and who God bless no man curse. President, me never have to touch you again.
Alright, me tell you how we start now. Brown man work when to for a living is to sell gun and sell shot. That's how we do. Brown man have three somebody we work with. We work with him, rather. Zine, he have the Eggman and he have two other man. You see the Eggman, when the Eggman they are road and him do him source and if he know nobody want us strap or want us no shot, he make the link to Brown man. So him basically now he that take the orders for Brown man. He that get the buyers them, the Brown man. That's how we Eggman do. The other two man where they find the porous, I same thing them do. I four of them in a one linkage. You understand? Alright. You see, either two are porous, but I tell you what them they do. Them get a piece of money to get 2 guns from Brown man and some rounds. Them take the money from the person who want the rounds, right? And take the gun and the shot from Brown man and I'll give Brown man the money. Tell the Brown man say I feed them linkage and the man soon pay. You understand? Them end up start wild out Brown man. Lock off them phone, now give Brown man no call, not take no call or nothing. Brown man wake up in the morning and in dirt them. So when you hear them I say the man killed 2 man pan him way, no, he killed the 2 man dead before he come back to Mandeville. You know, innocent Curly. You see, the Eggman now, the Eggman take an order, be a gun and some shot. The Eggman father live above Brown man. Brown man want like a little semicircle, like it's like a little, it's a apartment, but it's like a semicircle apartment. So his father live on the other side. Like the Eggman father live on the other side. The Eggman father take some rounds from Brown man. You understand? And not pay Brown man the money and tell Brown man say the money soon come in our in same linkage. In son, which is the Eggman now, Him do the same thing with brown man. Him take the money and take the gun and the shot from brown man and say a team linkage them, he soon come. But what the Eggman do, Eggman whip hotel, 1 week at a hotel with my co-worker and wife and the whole family at Ritz-Carlton Hotel. And you know, so Ritz-Carlton Hotel for the entire week, I don't know, normal money. When brown man hear about it, you see, he call him and the Sykes. Brown man a call on him phone and he not take no call from brown man. You understand? He not take no call from brown. He have the voice note in the phone where brown man send him and I tell him say style me, an idiot to take me for and my money you take and go on cruise. Eggman lock off him phone. Tell me I tell you what one with transparent come out and the wife mouth. Understand? When Eggman come back after the vacation, he no make no linkage with brown man. You understand? But because they're my friend and brown man knowing will I hang out spot them and know which part of my deliver egg. They choose a man when he come up. Brown man know exactly which part of my go do in drop off them a morning time. So when he come up, deal and they ride from the one place upon Caledonia Road. Alright, they say go wait for one man to deliver some egg. And there's a brown man go feed. And walk brown man walk. And go feed. Right so. And so brown man pump the shot them in 9 chest. The Eggman now, when he get the wolf shot him in 9 chest, brown man run off. The Eggman take him phone and panny way my drive him, I try head to the hospital, you know. He call a car dealer guy by the name of Sean and tell Sean say, deal, which is the brown man, just shoot him up. He say my try to head to the hospital. But Chewing gets so much shot when he reach my Caledonia Road, head and pick up on the 1 inch, one straight way there so. He collide in a one liar man. Prado van. You understand? So at the car dealer guy when named Sean, I him call the police them and tell the policeman say, Dave, which is brown man, just shoot up Eggman and tell him exactly which part Dave live. So when the police them go a brown man yard, right, for reason with him, he just start pump shot and this everything starts. You understand? So then your people are talk about brown man and the brown man is not a man like this away we keep friend. I have friends where in garden restaurant go buy fish for a weekend and when the money buy big fish with 3,000, 5,000 they throw down and I collect back no change. So brown man no short of money, I don't know $200 nothing like that. All 4 man we see in the drop out the whole of them a bad man them. The whole of them is bad man. None of them not innocent. I'm not saying it is good to take a life, you know. But you're supposed to remember say anytime you do things like them there and you mess wrong with a man money, you must know so wicked things that will happen. And like he know, Eggman know and he's been avoiding brown man. Not take brown man call now do nothing. You understand? And so brown man knows that him take the money. And brown man get that intel say the money when he collect for the gun, I eat him take and go on cruise. You understand? So I did so it start. I don't know $200 now, $1,200 or lose nothing like that. You hear me I tell you brother? So at that time story everybody I can talk about 2 egg. No, actually they see the egg in the car back. Yes, the man sell the egg, you know. He sell egg to cover up the activity away and do. You understand? So that is what I sham. So they know innocent curly. So that's why they didn't get dead. Then take the man money and take his strap under style and disrespect the man. That's why you see man put pan in status and him say I can't be separate man from boys. He don't really take this disrespect. You understand? So I that go down. And when I tell you we come from nearby I can work with the people them. So I that go down. May I tell you out a horse's mouth and nearby what we know about. So I tell you how it go. You understand me I say brother? That's how it thing go. Right this so.